Alam mo ba na may karapatan ka kapag hindi mo na kayang ituloy ang hulog sa bahay o kondo na kinuha mo? And this is called Maseda Law, also known as the Realty Installment Buyer Protection Act. Applicable ito sa real estate dito sa Pilipinas na bumibili ng house and lot or condo via installment. Whether you are employed, self-employed, or OFW. Now, here's the important part. If nakapagbayad ka na ng at least 2 years, protected ka na ng Maseda Law. Meaning, kapag hindi mo na kayang ituloy ang hulog, hindi basta-basta mawawala lahat ng binayad. Under the law, meron kang karapatan sa cash surrender value. Minimum of 50% ng total payments mo. And pwede siyang tumaas depende kung ilang years ka na nagbabayad dun sa condo or house and lot na kinuha mo. And take note, bago ka makancel officially, required ang written notice. Hindi pwedeng basta na lang i-forfeit yung property na kinuha mo. And this is the important reminder. This law is not an excuse para tumigil ka magbayad. It's there to protect their buyers, especially during financial hardship. This is not a get-rich rule. It is about fairness, protection, and financial awareness. If may natutunan ka dito, save this video and share it. Mas okay nang alam mo ang rights mo bago ka bumili. Good luck and have a great day.